Hello everybody, welcome back. As you've probably seen from the title of the video, I have been spending again. No surprises there. This time I have purchased a Hunkydory mystery box. These boxes were £30, but you're guaranteed to get at least £80 of value inside. I bought my very first Hunkydory mystery box earlier this year, and it's by far one of the best things I've bought this year. So when they did the Christmas one, I couldn't not have one. So we're going to unbox this together. I'm going to blind react to it. As you can see, the parcel is still packaged up. I ordered this Sunday morning as soon as I got the email saying they were launching on Monday. It's Thursday and it came this morning, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. If you enjoy haul videos, if you enjoy the odd tutorial, if you enjoy seeing nice new products, please do hit the subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow and reach more people. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Apologies for the dogs barking, and now let's jump into this video. So I did notice that the tape was loose when I brought this in off the doorstep. Hopefully everything's okay. Hunkydory seem to have switched to APC from DPD. Don't know why, but that's what they've done. Anyway, let's have a little look. Oh yes, so to get over free delivery, I also purchased 10 of these sticky pads. I use these all the time. These are really handy for design team work, which is generally what I use them for. There's 2 different widths on there, and I love them. So to get over free delivery, I grabbed 10 of those because they were on offer. So let's get down into the mystery box. Oh my goodness, you guys, this would not come out the box, but I finally got there. So let's get into this and see what's inside. Did I need this box? Nope, absolutely not. Did I want this box? Oh hell yes I did. So I bought my first Hunkydory box earlier this year. I think I've already touched on that. And when I bought that, I was like, oh, I've bought this and I can use it purely for design team work. And it's, you know, good stuff to have in your stash. And that's kind of how I justified the first one. This one, can't justify it at all. Other than I wanted it, I had a little bit of money, and I thought I am going to have it. I am, for anyone that doesn't know, on the Hunkydory design team. I'm very, very privileged to be on the Hunkydory design team. They didn't send me this. I did pay for this. But the chances are that in this box will probably be some stuff that I maybe worked on for launches. But do you know what? I don't care because I love the product. So to have extra is just a bonus. I can't use this year for design team work because I think, as far as I'm aware, we're done. Unless they do something nearer Christmas, but as far as I'm aware, we're done crafting for Christmas. So this is purely just for me, I'll be honest. So let's get into it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, hold on, there's some brown paper in there, which I'm trying to pull this out without sneaky peeky. There's also a leaflet. Let me see what this is. So this leaflet is a discount code to get 10% off an order placed in December, which is nice. Okay, let's see what is in here. Okay, first thing coming out. Oh wow, can't get it. Holly Jolly Christmas, 120 fun animal themed festive pages featuring 20 different designs. Oh my goodness, it's a little book. I don't have this one. Let's get this open. I love little books. These are brilliant. Let's get this open and have a really quick flick. I didn't have this one. I don't know how old this one is. Super cute. Look at these. I actually need to still make all of Philippa's Christmas cards for her class, so I have a feeling we'll be using this. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. So I'm off to a flying start. I absolutely love that. So that was a great start. Don't have that. Will use that. Absolutely love it. Let's see what the next thing out is. Oh, I'm seeing bling. Diamond Sparkles Gold. Look how lovely those are. Now I reckon those I probably can use for design teamwork, as long as they say on the website. These are mini flowers. You see? I really like those. Happy with that. 768. My goodness. 5mm, 16 strips. Lovely. Happy with that. Now we have... Oh, okay. We have a... Oh my goodness. Look. Didn't have this. Absolutely over the moon to have this. Festive Words and Wishes. Look at all those. I am so pleased. Christmas, Happy New Year, festive seasons, greetings, believe, merry magic, bright wishes, place. Yeah. Very pleased. If you want to pause to read, you can. I won't read them all out. Very happy with that. Again, don't have that, so really, really, really pleased. What's over here? This is something small. Say It With Style pocket pad. Don't have any of these either, I have to say. That's so cute. Look how diddy that is. Let's have a little look at this one. Apologies if you can hear the dogs. I don't know. I just don't know. I think the puppy's trying to make them play. And he doesn't really react when I shout, shut up. Okay, let's see. What's in here? The magic of Christmas never ends. Its greatest gifts are friends, family and friends. Oh, these are so cute. So you could use these as toppers on cards. You could put these in cards. Those are so cute. I love that. You can colour them in. What a great idea. Love it. Nice. Sorry about the really annoying dog barking. That is, I love it. Really happy with that as well. Right, let's have a little root around. Anything else hiding at the sides? No. Okay, so we're going to have to go for a biggie. Okay, what is... I can't get it out without opening the box up. Winter Wildlife. What's this? A complete card making collection housed inside a compatible pad, perfect for all of your favourite crafting and card making projects. So you get 4 300 GSM foiled and die cut A4 topper sheets, 4 350 GSM A4 foiled cardstock, 4 350 GSM A4 printed cardstock, 8 150 GSM A4 luxury carding sets. How lovely. We'll just have a flick. Oh my word, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, look at those images. Oh, the donkeys. I love it. Okay, didn't have that, didn't work on that. Very happy to have that. Wow, I am over the moon with this. So, as I said, these were £30 each, and Hunkydory said if you bought, was it 3 or 4? There was like a limit where they said if you bought that many, they would guarantee you had something different in every box and no duplicates. But I only bought one because I could only afford one, and yeah, I just thought let's just get the one. What's next? What's this? A Blooming Lovely Christmas Adorable Squad. So this is a topper set. Very, very pretty. Look at that. Didn't have that. Didn't work on that. And this is the great thing. Hunkydory, this isn't Hunkydory getting rid of old stock. You get loads of current line stuff in here and loads of new stuff in here, which I really like. And that is one of the reasons I buy them. Because they're not just shifting out the old stuff, they're giving you new current line stuff as well. I really like that. Okay. So let's have a look and see what else. I can see another topper sheet. I have to just open the box a little bit. That is a bit of me. I have 2 Labradors downstairs, and look what we have. We have Labradors coming home for Christmas. That's super cute. I reckon you can get at least 2 cards out of that on its own. Maybe 3. Depends what you do. You could definitely make a really nice stepper card using that. How gorgeous is that? Now, let's see what else is in here. It's all big stuff at the bottom, I think, so I'm just going to have to kind of open the box and pull out a bit at a time. And we have a piece on Earth. This is, I said, this one isn't just a topper thing. This has cardstock as well. This is a piece on Earth. That would be quite good for my aunt. She's quite religious. She might like that. And there's a picture down there. So you got, I think, 2 foiled cardstocks and then the top sheet. Don't have that one either. Well, I'm amazed. I thought I would end up getting stuff I'd worked on, but I'm doing well so far. Let's have a look. Okay, this one I did work on because I had that, but I am really pleased to have this because I loved this set. This is with Love at Christmas. This I did work with. It was part of the, I don't know if you can see, Contemporary Christmas, which is a launch I did work on. Very proud to have worked on that. This is beautiful. I love this. I'm really pleased that I got this again. And I think I have like a couple of bits maybe. So yeah, super happy to have that. And again, look at the beautiful cardstock. So if you go through my Hunkydory design team videos, you'll probably find a video showing that and then showing the card I made with it. I'm still not done. I am still pulling things out here. So now I have Little Robin Redbreast. Did I do this one? I don't think I did. So this is a luxury topper collection. I didn't do this one. No, I didn't, because I remember seeing the Shy Horses on someone else's project and being like, oh man, I wish I'd had that. I'm very happy now. Excellent. I'm so pleased because I wanted to play with the Shy Horses. I love these images. I think this was more the traditional Christmas launch and I did contemporary. So really, really pleased that I get to play with this. I am over the moon. So in this pack, you get 8 300 GSM foiled and die cut topper sheets. You get 8 350 GSM foil cardstock. You get 8 350 GSM printed cardstock and an inspiration sheet, as seen there. Love it. I'm so pleased. I didn't get to play with that one. I am amazed that I have only pulled out one item that I worked on. Considering how much Christmas I did do, I am pleasantly surprised. And obviously they don't know when they're picking the orders who's design team and who's not. So what a great buy. Look at these. This is the inserts that go with that topper collection that I just showed you. 16 sheets. You get 16 140 GSM A4 coordinated inserts for cards. One sheet in each of 16 designs. I am really pleased. And that is now an empty box. So that is my Hunkydory mystery box and my little extra bit to get free delivery. I have to say I am really, really impressed. and I am really, really pleased. And I am astounded that I only had one of the things that I'd already worked on. Super, super pleased. And I'll definitely be using this. I'm really pleased with those word dies. I am over the moon. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. What do you think of my goodies? Did you buy one of the mystery boxes? Have you got it? Are you pleased with it? Or are you going to buy one? I'm not sure how long they are on for. So it's currently Thursday, and this is going to go up on like the next Wednesday available. So they might still be available, but I know they are selling very, very quickly. But I think these are absolutely a fantastic value for money. Every time Hunkydory do these mystery boxes, I'm definitely going to be buying one. I think it's really great that they give you current line stuff. They're not just giving you stuff they want rid of. I think you can absolutely see the value in these boxes. It's really good quality product because it's Hunkydory. There's nothing to not like. They dispatch as quickly as they can. As I said, I ordered Sunday, it was dispatched Wednesday, and it came today. Really, really happy. Honestly, you can't go wrong with these boxes. And if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of Christmas stuff, like, you've got a whole collection here. That is a whole collection, and then the inserts. That's your Christmas cards done. Honestly, I just think you can't go wrong. These are brilliant, and I will buy them regardless of whether I'm on a design team or not, because I just think they are that great. But thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone who comes and watches my videos. I really apologise for the dog barking earlier on in the video. I hope it wasn't too off-putting. If you'd already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. And if you have enjoyed today's video, please do give it a massive thumbs up. I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take really good care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.